Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can sell pretty much anything online, especially online products, affiliate products. This works really well. This is the exact process that I've used to sell thousands and thousands of products, affiliate products, clickbank products, my own products. I'm going to guide you through it, and it will actually help you save yourself lots of time, lots of misery with low conversions. And if you've ever tried selling an online product, maybe as an affiliate, maybe your own product, and you failed miserably and you're getting frustrated, this will really help you. So in this video I'm going to tell you the main thing that you'll definitely want to do, and it's so obvious but I missed it for years. I promoted clickbank products for years without doing this, and yes, you can make sales without doing this, but it is so much harder. So let's get straight into it. Just to mention before we get into it, if you're interested in actually having a funnel made for you, which I'm going to tell you about in this video, do check out the offer below. I'll leave it in the description. I'll explain it as we go through. It will be a short video, but it's well worth taking notes because it will save you so much time. So let's get straight into the good stuff. Here we go. So I thought the best place to start would be to show you my Premier certificate on ClickBank. This is one for 2012. I also got one in 2013, 14, 15, and going back 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 as well. So this is for my own products. I've also had as an affiliate. Basically the thing I'm showing you here you can use for any online product, and I'll explain it through now and the main reasons it works. So let me show you this. The main thing that you'll want to do, let me just get this out of the way, to sell anything online is to have a funnel. Now you might have heard that before, so no great revelation there, but let me just tell you why and what most people miss with the funnel, and how you can prevent building a funnel and wasting time, because just having a funnel in its place isn't going to help you sell. It needs to be made in a certain way, and I'm going to explain a really easy way of looking at it right here. The main reason you need it, as you know, is that most people don't buy on the first visit to a sales page. So no matter how good your marketing is, no matter how many people you send, especially if you're doing pay-per-click, you're sending people there and you're banking on the fact that they will buy there and then. Even if it's something they need, the chances of them buying there and then is very slim. You can normally be looking at a 0.5 or 1% conversion rate. That means that every 100 people you send through, you're going to get one sale, and that's not sustainable. If you're using pay-per-click, you're going to quickly blast through your budget, and you're going to end up getting frustrated and thinking, right, this doesn't work. So what's the solution? The solution is a funnel, which you already know probably. But what's the solution to making sure that the funnel works? This is the main stuff that I want to give you. So here we go. Here's a simple funnel. This is what I recommend that you start with. This is also a funnel that you can build upon. This is a bare minimum funnel that I recommend to sell anything online. And how does it work? Well, what a lot of people do to mess up a funnel is they understand that you need a funnel and they make an opt-in with an offer, something of value, but then email one that they receive is just reiterating the product. So let's say you're promoting a how to get a six-pack ab guide. What a lot of people do is they will say opt in to receive secrets to getting a six-pack quickly and easily while stuffing your face full of kettle chips and watching Netflix all day. So this really unbelievable offer, and then they opt in, and the first thing they see is email 1, this is what you will get when you buy this product. Email 2, this is what you will get when you buy this product. And that's not a funnel. That is just a series of sales emails. Here's the key thing that you'll want to do to be able to sell anything online, whether you're an e-commerce site, affiliate site, ClickBank products. It's this. and it's so obvious, but I'll explain it, is one, the opt-in has to give them something of real value. So how can you tell if something's of value? It has to give them something that helps them to get a result, that moves them forward from, if you imagine a river, and the river's got white water rapids and really fast moving water, and stepping stones going over the river so you can get to the other side. What you've got to make sure is two things. Number one, your help complements the main offer. So I'll give you an example of this. Let's say your main offer is for how to jump higher, to slam dunk a basketball. Okay? And that's actually a really good niche, by the way, on ClickBank. Sounds strange, but basketball training, how to jump higher. So let's say your main offer is a guide that sells for $199 and it teaches you how to jump higher. The sort of information that you want to be giving for free is exercises and things that they can do today that will enable them to get a result. So when I say get a result, I don't mean that they're going to be able to slam dunk a basketball today, okay? But they can feel that they're moving towards the main goal. So your opt-in page, to give this example, should always stay on the end result and why they want it. So if it was to slam dunk a basketball, you would obviously put in the opt-in. You wouldn't put enter your name and email and I'll tell you the secrets to jump higher. You wouldn't put that. You'd focus on the end goal. Enter your name and email and I will show you the 3 steps that you need to take straight away to be able to slam dunk like Michael Jordan or something, you know, like that's you want to do some like more current, but you get what I mean. You want to focus on the end goal, the main reason they're doing, the feelings around the main goal. So what will happen there is, one, you'll make a far better opt-in page that will get more opt-ins. And then the key thing is, email 1 should offer real help without any sales stuff, without even pushing the guide or the product that you want to sell. You want to focus in on the main goal. So you want to be able to slam dunk a basketball. Here's a series of video drills that you can do with the basketball that will help to build up the muscles. Maybe you're going to show them how to do layups that progress into sort of jumping high enough. Maybe you're going to show them some leg exercises and warm-ups that they can do to build up the leg muscles. Maybe you're going to show them an exercise that they can see how far off the basketball rim that they are, so how far that they have to go. Maybe you're going to tell them the bare minimum height that they have to be able to slam dunk. Maybe you're going to tell them and recommend some footwear and examples of it actually working. What you want to do is focus in on the end goal and genuinely help with these first 3 emails. Okay? So help 1, help 2, help 3. And what I mean by get a result is they just have to feel at the end of the email that was helpful. Okay? And then, as you can see here, email 4, main offer, that's when you go into a soft pitch for the main offer. Okay, so you could go, I hope you've enjoyed this 3-day course that's shown you XYZ. If you want to learn how to slam dunk a basketball and progress further and take this to the next level, then check out this offer that will take what you've learned in this free email course and it will help you to further your education to, you change the wording of that, but you see what I mean. It complements the main offer. It then tells them what the result they're going to get. Even if they don't buy, they think you're cool because you've helped them for free, you haven't bombarded them full of products. And the best thing is, this is a bare minimum funnel. So there's other things that you can do. You could make this main offer a discount offer, or you could get in touch with the product owner, or if it's your product, and do a really special bundle deal, or do a timed offer with a free 4-5 day countdown. So once you've got the funnel, once you've got people on your list, you can then expand on it. But if you do this, what will happen is, and the main thing I wanted to tell you today is, people will buy if they believe that you can help them. Okay, so the main problem that people have with making money online is they're just trying to sell and they're just thrusting a sales page in someone's face, and all you have to think about is yourself watching this video. How do you buy things? You know, you're normally not buying things on the first visit, normally, unless you already want the product and know of it. But a product that you haven't seen before and so on, it's rare. You want to look at what it is, and then obviously make sure that the product's good as well. But main wrap up of the video is make sure that you build a funnel, make sure that you actually help, make sure that the help is congenial to the main product, and make sure that you offer help that steps them along each step of the way so they can feel that they're getting closer to the result. Another quick example for you would be learning a language. So if you can give real help that feels that they're progressing through, like you've got a language course, how to learn Chinese quicker and easier than ever before. Here's 3 techniques that we use so you can actually see the results. You see what I mean? Give them a taste of the results. Make sure that the product's good, and you will be able to sell. If you want help with this, do check out the offer in the description. It will allow you to build a funnel. I'll leave the offer there. It will allow you to build a funnel to be able to make sales exactly like the one I've just shown you. There's a video on the page that explains it. There's very few spots there, but I hope this video helps you. I'm not going to bombard you with sales. Give us a thumbs up if it helped you. Let me know if any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.